Hello everyone. Welcome back once again, and this is Dr. Sanghamitra Banerjee, mentor, teachers trainer, educationist and principal from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Today I have brought a wonderful and a very interesting topic to discuss with you all. Parenting is a wonderful experience that we all parents enjoy. At times it is a bliss, but at times careless attitude and activities towards parenting leads to unavoidable consequences which are very, very bitter, and the damage at times is very much. In this lockdown time, most of our parents are enjoying time with our students. We parent feel it a bliss at times, but most of the time we are irritated and we acknowledge our children in a very rude and very strict way. At times, we compare them with their fellow mates because we want them to outshine in every possible way, holding a tagline that my student or my child is the best one. But in this race of being the best, don't we damage their mental health? Don't we really hurt their self-esteem? Are we not responsible to pull down their self-confidence in such a pit that revamping is a big task and a big question in life? If so much we love our children, then why can't we stop comparing? In recent past, few episodes in my own school have kept me shaken. I was wondering how to handle this. Children are very tender. They want your attention, they want your love, they want your care. Remember, every effort they take is very true and pious. They want to make the parents and the teachers happy. They try to put their best to achieve so that they can bring a smile on your face. You as a parent should feel proud of them, so every actions of theirs are aligned in such a way that they bring laurels for their family. But as we know, this competition and this academic race is a different ball game altogether. And if we are dragging our children in that ball game, probably we must be aware of the consequences. If not, it is high time we get to be aware of the consequences and the rate of boredom that goes high, leading to suicides and losing the mental balance of the children. So today, I have made this video keeping in mind that all the parents will at least spend 2.5 to 3 healthy hours. You as a parent would better understand what is the demand of your child. The child needs your time, the child needs your attention. Probably the child is seeking for some healthy hour with you to play games, or probably a healthy competition in the family of carom or shuttle. Understand the requirement of the child. Be the strongest pillar of support for your child so that the child do not knock any other door for support and help. Create that platform of belief and trust where the child comes back to you with every problem regarding personal life, social life, or anything else where he or she is hesitant to share with anybody. You as a parent can be the magic maker in a child's life. So today, let's take the pledge to spend hours with our children, making it a healthy habit. Family time is important. Give the valuable time when we have enough time in our hand, and that is a gift of nature. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have not put your valuable comments in the comment box, do put it today so that we resonate our ideas in the same frequency and come back with many more such topics which, though we know, but still a pat or a reminder keeps us alive and awake. Till then, stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you so much.